Hi, one and all present here. This is Surya from Department of Computer Science, Full Stack Web Development, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. And today we are going to see about the SNS roadmap, and it's clean and it is very interesting to each and every explanation in SNS institution. So we have different groups of institution here, and our roadmap is very lovely to watch and everything. And our great founder chairman sir have 45 years of rich experience in industry education and research, and he is a change maker of our year award, and he is a lifetime achiever and our best outstanding chairman sir. We miss her now. So our correspondent ma'am, and she have performed 1,000 surgeries in her 20 years of service, and she is a best woman award achiever, and she have explained the entrepreneurship award in times of India in 2013 and 2015. And our great technical director sir, Dr. Nalin Viman Kumar sir, and he is a member syndicate and Indian patent holder, and he have explained about the design thinking concept, and happy should catch that the roadmap is with our sir along with the technical director sir. And our college, it is an expand with a green campus with different types of aircrafts, and our mission and vision. Here our vision to be a supreme center of academic excellence, to be engage the society with a world-class education, and our mission to enable the students to dynamic entrepreneurship and to give their realized richness in India's diversity and tradition and culture, and the ethical, moral, social values too. And here education qualification and teaching skills with the knowledge of the basic faculty members also. And next one, our milestone. Our college started at 1999. Our UG level started from 2001, and the PG level also 2001. And I'm happy to share that myself, the alumni of 2010 pass out, and our NAC cycle and NAC cycle 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have faced till now. And our reason awards that goes to technical director sir, the World Record Union with the largest freestyle dance, and the Nobel Book of World Record with the yoga asana performed, and MSME technology development records, and India World Record, the largest wall mural painted by the student, that is Kovai, Love Kovai theme in 2003. And reason awards along with the Nobel Awards with the University Weavers, and Indian Book Records, that is with the participation of national level FTP, and amazing workplace. Our workplace is a very amazing workplace with SNS institution, and our International United Kalam Foundation allows with the Education Innovation Award in 2024. And here our employees, they have connected with us, different type of employees. Through this employees, our lovely students will encourage with them. And here we are going along with the roadmap, that is SNS framework, that is 5 pillar based. That is first one is CLT, that is Center for Learning and Teaching. Second one SCD, that is Skill Career Development. Third one CFC, that is Center for Creativity. And fourth one Industry Institute Partnerships. And the fifth one Social Responsibility Initiative. These are our 5 pillars, that is design thinking based 5 pillars. And this is a framework with a design thinker who can design anything, any problem they can solve using this. That is empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and our last one is interlate, right? And introduction to the roadmap. The roadmap is nothing but our SNS institution toward the achieving educational excellence through innovation and design thinking. And here I will give you the institution about Chakos to creation. So the shaping the ecosystem where creativity, collaborative and continuous improvement in all faculty, students and everyone. And here along with this, we have designed the design thinking providing logical approach along with 1,000 startup missions. It's just not a dream, it is an achievable, and it comes along the 3P culture, that is purpose, people and process. And the foundation, it's nothing but it's to create the basic, and it's want to become the decision making approach to institutions. Our institution is a Chakos to challenge, that is predicting to the each and every scanning, forecasting everything, and the metric ideas that comes under the number of trends stands. And the common man business, it's an ideative innovation things that should each and every student should have, along with the problem statement that should be derived from the community needs. And next one, growth and innovation. Here I will give the information that the innovation technology and innovation industries. Here innovation technology, that is 7 parts that comes under the different types of modules, that is robotic automation and gaming and data science and internet of things and communication and additive manufacturing and the low code things. And innovations industries, a smart city and healthcare, agriculture, automobile, aerospace and retail and power thing. These comes under the innovation hub. And the phase, the foundation, the design thinking, it's nothing but it comes along with our lifetime practical, and it teach the training and it create a prototype lab, and it goes under the circle for a new initiatives. And the metric ideas, the staff trained in the design thinking, and comes the pilots, and they are the lessons of the world. And phase 2, that is framework and culture. Already I told you what is a framework. And the 3P culture, it comes in the purpose, people and process. Purpose, why? What is the purpose? A clear mission that's needed, right? People, each and every people have a talent, that roles and leadership. It's under our training, right? And the process, it is a repeatable workflows for the students, faculty and everyone. And next one, 3C framework, that is context, content and connect. Context, what is that? Logical and global ecosystem, right? And second one is the module for the resources, and third one, industry linkages, that alumni networks. And the 5 pillar, already I told you what is a 5 pillar. And next one, I was finding that the health, wealth and sports, and everything comes under the physical and mental health plus domains. And this shows these practice along with the 5 pillar will become a supportive for the academic background for the students. And the growth and the innovation. Here the growth, each and every one has different types of growth. That growth will be digital, delivered and driven, right? And 7+7 culture, it comes under each and every innovation engine, that with along with the leadership. And the leadership should be prioritized the digital initiatives, and comes under the tackle things, the enabling actions of each and every dashboards. And growth and innovation. That growth and innovation comes under the platforms and process and people. And we have different types of certifications, EMARCs and everything. A great initiative, that is smart OKR goals. A goals that lovely, it's frames and it manage bold, and it create a person to improve their knowledge, and they can improve their own personal things, includes the smart OKR. It's very, very useful for everyone in life today. And here the smart OKR, it is a specific measurable achievement. It's given by our technical director sir, and it started in June. And here different types of students has been the startup that achieved, and that comes under our renewable feedbacks and audits. And these are the smart OKRs. And we are, our lovely thing is 1000 AI startups, right? This 1000 AI startups, it comes under the roadmap, that is design thinking along with the AI. And we have incubation stacks, right? That incubations will help the students to technical mentorship, business mentorship, and our legal and accounting supports. And this matrix comes under the deep learning AI, and we are lovely to see that smile. And this is our lovely SNS roadmap, and I'm happy to share that our roadmap is very, very enjoying and lovable work here. Thank you all. This faculty and students will involve in all the design thinking facts, and we comes under the unwavering commitments to excellence and social transformation through education. Thank you so much.